If you've been searching for a way to manifest your dreams, whether it's love, wealth, happiness, or even something as simple as peace of mind, you've come to the right place. Let's get into the exact steps you can take to manifest anything you desire in just one day. The truth about manifestation is that it isn't as complicated as it's often made out to be. It's not about spending hours meditating or endlessly writing affirmations. While those practices have their place, what truly speeds up manifestation is alignment. And alignment means bringing your thoughts, emotions, and actions into harmony with what you desire. Let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible so you can start seeing results today. The first step to manifesting anything is clarity. If you're unclear or vague about what you want, the universe can't deliver it to you. Think of it like placing an order online. You wouldn't just type something nice into the search bar and hope for the best. You'd be specific, choosing the exact product, size, and color. Manifestation works the same way. Take a moment to decide, what is it that you truly desire? Write it down in one clear sentence. For example, instead of saying, I want more money, say, I want to receive $5,000 by the end of this month. Specificity gives your intention power. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've identified your desire, your job is to feel as though it's already yours. Why? Because your emotions send a powerful signal to the universe. If you want love, feel loved. If you want success, feel successful. This step is less about wishing and more about embodying the energy of already having what you want. A great way to do this is through visualization. Close your eyes and picture yourself already living the life you desire. Imagine the sounds, the smells, the sensations. The more detailed, the better. Let the emotions of joy, gratitude, and excitement fill your body. When you do this, you're tuning into the frequency of your desire, making it much easier for it to come to you. One of the biggest barriers to manifestation is resistance. Resistance can come in the form of doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs. For example, if you desire financial abundance but secretly believe that money is hard to come by, you're creating resistance. To overcome this, start by identifying any negative thoughts you have about your desire. Then, consciously replace them with empowering beliefs. For instance, if you catch yourself thinking, I don't deserve this, replace it with, I am worthy of everything I desire. Affirmations like this may feel strange at first, but repetition is key. Over time, these new beliefs will become your default way of thinking, clearing the way for your manifestation to flow effortlessly. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and feeling, it's also about doing. Inspired action means taking steps toward your desire that feel natural and exciting. These actions don't have to be big or overwhelming. In fact, they're often small, intuitive nudges. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, an inspired action might be updating your resume or reaching out to a contact in your network. Pay attention to any ideas or opportunities that come to you during this process. Sometimes, they might seem unrelated to your goal, but trust your intuition. The universe often works in mysterious ways, leading you toward your desire in ways you couldn't have predicted. Gratitude is like rocket fuel for manifestation. When you're grateful, you're telling the universe, I love what I already have, and I'm ready for more. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big, like your health, or small, like the warmth of your morning coffee. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, making you a magnet for more blessings. Take it a step further by expressing gratitude for the things you're manifesting, even before they arrive. For example, say, I'm so grateful for my loving relationship, even if you're currently single. This not only keeps your vibration high but also reinforces your belief that your desire is already on its way. This is where patience and faith come into play. Once you've done your part, getting clear, feeling the feelings, taking action, and expressing gratitude, you need to let go and trust that the universe will do its part. Don't obsess over the how or the when. Trust that your desire will come to you in the perfect way and at the perfect time. If you find yourself doubting, remind yourself of past manifestations. Think of times when something you wanted came to you unexpectedly. These moments are proof that the universe is always working in your favor. Hold on to that faith, and let it carry you through. While it's important to focus on your desire, it's equally important to avoid becoming overly attached to it. Attachment creates a sense of lack, which can push your desire further away. Instead, adopt an attitude of this or something better. This mindset keeps you open to possibilities and ensures that you're not limiting yourself to one specific outcome. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, don't fixate on a single company or role. Instead, trust that the universe will bring you the best opportunity, even if it's something you hadn't considered. This openness allows the universe to surprise you in the most beautiful ways. Manifestation isn't just about the big goals, it's also about appreciating the small wins along the way. Each time you notice a sign, synchronicity, or small step toward your goal, celebrate it. These moments are evidence that your manifestation is unfolding, and acknowledging them keeps your vibration high. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance and find $1 on the ground, don't dismiss it as insignificant. Instead, celebrate it as a sign that more is on its way. The universe loves a grateful heart, and the more you celebrate, the more reasons you'll have to celebrate. As you immerse yourself in the practice of manifestation, one often overlooked yet profoundly impactful aspect is the power of environment. Your surroundings play a crucial role in shaping your mindset and energy. Take a moment to assess your physical space, your home, workspace, or even the areas you frequent. Are they cluttered, chaotic, or uninspiring? If so, it's time to clear and arrange these spaces in a way that uplifts and energizes you. When your surroundings are organized and aligned with the energy of what you desire, they act as a physical anchor for your intentions. For instance, if you're manifesting abundance, you might create a small area dedicated to symbols of prosperity, such as a jar for spare change, inspiring images, or meaningful trinkets. Similarly, if you're focusing on love, your space could include soft lighting, calming colors, or objects that make you feel cherished. This isn't about materialism, it's about creating a tangible connection between your inner world and outer environment. Another vital element in this process is the role of self-talk. Throughout the day, your mind is engaged in a constant dialogue with itself. What are you saying to yourself? Often, people unknowingly sabotage their manifestations by entertaining negative or limiting thoughts. Instead, consciously replace these with positive affirmations that align with your desires. Speak to yourself kindly, as you would to a close friend. Words like, "I am capable, good things come to me easily," or "I attract opportunities effortlessly," have the power to reshape your internal narrative and amplify your manifesting abilities. Manifesting in one day is absolutely possible when you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desire. The key is to stay consistent, trust the process, and enjoy the journey. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and the universe is always working in your favor. Whatever you desire is already on its way to you, it's just waiting for you to claim it. So, what's the one thing you're manifesting today? Write it down, follow these steps, and watch as your dream becomes your reality. The universe is ready. Are you? Now that you have the tools to manifest anything in just one day, it's time to put them into practice. Start with one clear intention and dedicate yourself to following these steps wholeheartedly. The process isn't about waiting passively, it's about participating actively in the co-creation of your reality. Before you go, I have one simple request. If you found this content valuable, consider supporting this space where we share these powerful techniques. You can do that in 5 easy ways. Hit that like button right now, it lets us know this message resonated with you and helps us reach more like-minded individuals. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more life-changing insights like this one. Share this video with someone who might need a reminder of their inner power. A simple share can be a life-altering gift for someone else. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload more tools for your success. Leave a comment below about what you're manifesting today. Your words might inspire others to take their first step toward their dreams. By engaging with this platform, you're not just learning, you're becoming part of an energy that encourages growth and transformation in countless lives. As you move forward, approach each day with the knowledge that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. Every thought you think, every word you speak, and every action you take is a step toward the life you desire. Manifestation is not just a practice, it's a lifestyle, a way of being that empowers you to create with purpose and intention. Thank you for being here and allowing yourself to explore what's possible. You're closer to your desires than you think, and the steps you take today will ripple out into extraordinary results. Until next time, stay intentional, stay inspired, and keep manifesting the life you deserve.